so today, this is my first video on a Rosa kit, and today I'm gonna be playing with my friends. One is Spider-Man. I don't know what the other one is. Oh, they're both right here. Yeah. Okay. Hi. I need a friend requester. I don't really want to leak their name, to be honest. If they wanna, okay. Oh, and if you hear me coughing a lot, it's because I have allergies. Alright, let's go. Okay, accept it. Okay.
Over here.
Come over here.
Fine. Oh, the other guy tried to go. Wait, did he even go?
I don't think so. Yeah, he didn't. Okay, I'm really good at this game. I'm like a pro.
Okay.
How long? Okay, finally. Y'all are ugly. Actually, I'm uglier.
Oh my god, what the hell?
Why do I look like that?
Wait, why am I pink?
Okay, you guys don't see, but I could see because
I can see you have glasses on.
because I'm looking at my friend's PC. Go away.
You mean PS5?
PS5, whatever it's called.
Your hair looks so stuffy and fat.
Just call my hair fat.
No,
Hey, this is my job.
It's so messy.
no, what? Do not.
Okay, actually, my job is to take care of the patients.
Then what do I do?
You go check in the patients.
Okay.
And actually, you help me take care of the patients.
Oh my.
Well, actually, you check in the patients. She helps me.
Okay.
Do you know how to play this game?
I do.
No, not you. No, go away. You're supposed to... Oh, yeah, you're supposed to help me.
Bro, I want to get one too.
Too late. Throw it away.
Alright, the other player's gonna be in room 2.
If you give that to the patient, you're gonna kill her. Okay, she's just gonna have to sit and relax because she doesn't know how to play the game. She's trying to kill the patients. No. Go with Ezra. Okay,
Where's she?
I just said
Where's
okay.
she?
Go in the room.
In here?
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay.
If one of the patients faint, I'm just gonna
Bro.
throw its body.
Oh no,
in the
but
trash.
go away. You're supposed to help her.
No. She's trying to kill the patients.
Bro.
She doesn't know how to play. That's why.
Oh.
Put it down.
Bro, go away.
Fine.
No, she needs to be with you. She's gonna try and take care of the patients, and then she's gonna kill the patients.
Huh?
Then here. I wanted to go, right? Go.
No, stay.
Oh my god.
You have to stay with her. Why do you look like that?
I don't
No.
know.
Oh my gosh.
Why are you getting mad?
Someone else is coming.
Go.
Oh my gosh.
Are you drinking coffee right now, girl?
Yeah.
Coffee or not coffee?
Okay.
Hello, dummy. Hello, dummy. I don't care about your test. 1-0-0. Now you lost. You got 0 points and 2 points.
Okay.
How do I have?
I don't think your age.
I want to play another game.
Okay, so apparently
Alright, cool, it's just us.
You can't find me.
Hey, I'm supposed to do this.
You can't find me.
Yay! We could find. Wait, check the security cameras.
Check it.
Okay, it's not an anomaly.
Wait.
Which one should I play? Pizza. I'm a
Why
pizza.
is it like that?
I'm a pizza. I'm a pizza.
Wait, look.
Wait,
Pizza. Pizza. I'm a pizza.
hold on. Don't worry, don't worry.
I'm a pizza. I'm a pizza. I look like
I
a
threw
pizza.
it away. I threw the body away. Oh, this is an anomaly. Wait, no. Don't close the shutters. Let him in.
No, he's creepy.
Let him in. Let him in.
I don't want to do
Creepy.
I know a hack. It's
He's creepy.
he's just possessed.
Oh my gosh, he's really creepy. I want to play the pizza game.
struggle.
Okay, we're not playing.
Look, it's a pizza.
We don't care.
2 ice creams a scoop. I'm gonna.
Okay, you do the rest.
Alright.
This is like so an anomaly.
Alright, I'm playing with you guys.
No, you can't join again. You already left. It's not. You can't.
I'm playing another one then.
Alright.
Can you check those security
He's gonna
cameras?
join me.
Oh my gosh. I already
He's
died.
gonna join me.
It's not an anomaly.
He's gonna join me.
No one. Okay, sorry if you think I'm being rude. It's just that I'm really stressed out of what happened earlier.
What?
Remember? Sorry, I have allergies.
Are you supposed to throw the anomaly in the trash?
If a patient faints, I usually just throw it in the trash because I don't want to deal with the patient.
Will I do that? Should I do that?
I mean, if you want to, it's funny.
Whoa, we're literally checks.
I was 6-7% brain.
Look, you do? Oh my god.
Someone has stored a ritual.
I know it's the anomaly. It's apparently possessed.
What about these patients?
Those, I don't know. Okay,
Felt good because it was itchy.
look, see? It's not an anomaly anymore.
Oh.
The eyes are normal.
So the eyes is as you can tell. Doctor's arriving. Of course you can't do that. You know, I'm just gonna say.
Don't you look so pretty in the gate? I'm taking out the coffee.
I'm opening.
It's so cute, fancy.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Best. Oh my god. Best. How do you check the cameras? Oh, right here. Alright, it's not a anomaly.
Wait. Okay, whatever you do, just listen what he says. No matter what. And later on, he's gonna tell you to take a picture of him, and it's gonna show that he's like creepy. Do not close the shutters on him.
Okay.
Just listen to everything he says.
The Grinch.
Shut off the bat. It's an anomaly.
How do you know?
It's twitching. Bro has Tourette's or something.
Bro's mad. Mad. What's wrong with her?
What camera is
Sounds like a different ear.
what?
Is that a anomaly?
I don't know what she's supposed to be. I don't know.
Did you check the cameras?
I mean, she seems normal on the cameras. Hold on, check the picture. Yeah, she looks exactly the same. Room 6, alright. We got to shift 3 real fast. It's an anomaly.
Oh my.
Do you... No, you can't. Okay.
Oh, what's wrong with these people? They look weird.
Okay, now
I am so scared.
close the shutters. Yes, I'm serious.
Yes, I'm serious.
Now they're mad.
Ugh! How many anomalies are gonna be here?
I closed them.
Okay, the person that's mocking me in the background is my mom, by the way.
Those twitching.
Okay, seems normal right here.
I better turn this out or my parents gonna hear it.
This person looks normal.
I have to do this or my parents gonna hear it.
Wait. Yeah, they look.
Oh! Violet! It says a B word. I like that.
What the heck? What's happening?
What?
It looks weird.
Wait, hold on, let me check. Okay, what's going on here?
Violet.
It's about Bro's face.
No, it looks different. Look at the picture. And then look at him.
Oh! So good. Oh! This song is so cool. Like I like the melody.
Okay. Well, I forgot we're literally putting a video. I'm here for my appointment. Okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it looks like.
Yeah, it looks like. Wait. Check the cameras. Yeah, it looks normal.
Oh. So, the anomaly's coming. It's
Okay.
right there. Has 3 eyes.
Hawaii!
Mhm. Okay, maple syrup and a thermometer.
Okay, yeah, no. I am
What?
sorry.
Oh my gosh. That definitely doesn't work for Kim.
What?
Wait, hold on. Let me check the cameras. How does he look on the camera?
This means coming up. Only Ariel and Luana.
Mm-hmm.
Only them.
Nope. No. It's. Look at the camera. If it's staring right at you,
Okay, yeah.
This one.
Rejected? Me? How dare you?
okay, let's see.
Whenever y'all get scared, I'll just make it for free. Let me check camera.
Okay.
Take the camera normal.
Oh, look at these kids.
Uh-huh.
Oh, what's this one? Right. Now we love to eat.
Yeah, it's just like
That's so cute. Look at this outfit.
Green, pink, green, blue. Okay,
okay,
no.
this person is so
Bro has twins. Who is dropping slime everywhere?
I don't know, that is so not me. I don't even want to try.
I'm so happy.
Let me see. Okay, what? They are so twitching. On the cameras, they're twitching.
Only on the oh!
Yeah, that's weird.
Definitely not.
And just confuse me.
Okay, this thermometer and the IV drop.
Looks like they're rooms. They look pretty new.
What up? Did you check the cameras?
Yeah, I did.
Okay,
Do I close the ones?
I'm gonna go do that.
no.
But let me check the cameras. Wait, is that just a normal face?
Yeah. Nope. It's fizzy.
Unbelievable! I came all this way.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, no, I am so closing that.
What? Oh.
No. Oh, it's a
Herbs,
monster.
eye drops, and
Close the thing, it's a monster.
That thing looks creepy.
I know it's not. 'Cause it's not that creepy. Because I know it's not creepy. Super sun.
Let me check the cameras first.
eye drops and herbs.
Oh, it looks like they're normal on the cameras. Let me check their picture. Yeah, pretty normal. Picture's normal. Camera's normal. Or this person's normal.
Alright.
Wait, didn't you mention that song earlier?
Yeah. people coming?
No, there's no
Okay,
one
then
coming.
you could just sit and relax. Like an insanity.
I'm just
What?
I'm just checking if anyone's coming.
No,
Check
no one's
this
coming.
contain. Oh, someone's coming.
No, it's just someone that got
Oh,
you.
no one's coming. Or maybe they are.
Here, no one in
I'm
here.
using my lasers. Ching. Like that.
Okay, I'm almost done.
Oh, what was that? I saw a black figure. Wait, I
prob-
actually got scared.
It's probably the stalker.
I actually for real got scared.
Is it like a big figure
Yeah.
with bunny ears?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the stalker.
Soccer.
The stalker.
Oh.
Come on, baby.
Monster. I forgot we're recording.
Yes.
Me too.
You see
Okay.
yes. And you
Maple syrup and okay, I think that was the last patient, right? Okay, yeah.
No doctors on my leg. No, I'm doing this. Oh yeah.
What are you doing?
I like watching TV shows.
Ugly.
Unstable. No.
By the way, Chloe.
I thought you were asleep.
Watch the taser. Use it wisely.
We got.
Watch the taser. Can you do that?
I got it.
Finally. I have to win. Please. I
Yay.
have to
This
win.
is
Play soccer.
obvious.
Run from the canteen. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, because this video is getting a little long. Anyway, bye.
Ball.